I'm about to tell a story about the coordinate system we use most often. It's said that this coordinate system was invented by the mathematician and philosopher René Descartes. Indeed, his name gives rise to the full name for our coordinate system, which is Cartesian coordinates. Descartes, Cartesian. The story goes that Descartes was lying in bed one night looking at his ceiling. Imagine that this is his ceiling. He was watching a fly which was walking on the ceiling. If I have a fly walking on my ceiling, my usual thought is that I want to get rid of it. However, Descartes wanted to be able to describe the position of the fly as it walked about to other people. This is how he came up with the idea for the coordinate system. His first step was to divide his ceiling into a grid. Once divided into a grid, he could then give the position of the fly by giving a particular position on the grid. Then, to describe a position on the grid, he invented a numbering system. He decided that he'd call a particular point the origin and call it 0, 0. He'd then have an x-axis which he'd number upwards, and a y-axis which he'd also number upwards. X and y coordinates. The x describes how far across and the y how far up. So this point here is 7 across and 6 up. How would he write this down? He decided that he'd write them like this. The x-coordinate would come first and the y-coordinate second, in the same order as they are in the alphabet. So this point here has an x-coordinate of 7 and a y-coordinate of 6. So looking at another point, this point here would be the point 1, 2. The x is 1 and the y is 2, and x always comes before y, just like they do in the alphabet.